Yo, what's good? So I want to make a short video on ICT position trading concept. It's a concept by ICT and it's hold and it's gold. So I'm gonna get right to it, right? We're gonna be using, the weekly and the 1 hour time frame on this strategy. You can, modify it to your own taste, but you need to understand the basic and the core of this strategy. And we're gonna be using the moving averages, right? And also we gonna be using order blocks. So before I proceed, I need to explain to you what order block is. If you don't know what an order block is, you need to make your own research, but I'm going to make a quick explanation. An order block is the last candle where a significant move, like a strong move out of a zone. For example, I'm going to point out what an order block is, right? Right now, I'm going to show you guys. Let me look at this weekly chart. There's an order block right here. There's an order block. The last green candle right here before this last green candle before this old sell off right here, before this old sell off right here. This is an order block. This is a bearish order block, right? A bullish order block is the last. Look at this. This last green, a red candle. My bad. This red candle before a strong move out of this particular one. Before a strong move out of the zone, right? That is an order block. You can make your own research. You have to understand what an order block is. Let me make this another. This is a bullish order block. This is another bullish order block. The last red candle, like the last 12 sell candle before a strong move out of the zone. I hope you get the point now. So now you know the meaning of order block. We can now proceed to the strategy itself. So with this strategy, we want to be using the weekly time frame trend. We want to understand what the weekly time frame is doing. If the weekly time frame is trending like to the upside, we want to be only looking for longs, which is buy. We only want to be looking for buy. If the weekly charts is on a downtrend, we want to be looking for sell on the 1 hour charts. Let me repeat myself. If the weekly is trending to the upside, bullish market structure to the upside, you want to be only looking for buy on the 1 hour chart. And if it's going down on the weekly chart, you want to be only looking for sell on the 1 hour chart. So now how do you know if the weekly is trending to the upside? This is where you use the exponential moving average, which is the EMA. I'm going to plot that out. The EMA, look at this. How do you find your EMA? You go to your indicator, or you click, or you click on the indicator, right? You search for EMA. You're going to see exponential moving average exponential. That's the EMA. You're going to pull it on 9 lengths. The short length is 9, and the long period length is 18. So now, this is how you know. This is how you're going to figure out if the weekly chart is trending to the upside. The minute you see the 9 crosses the 18 moving average, now you can price trading above. Look at this point. This is where the 9 crosses the 18, and price is trading above the EMA. You can say, okay, this is a bullish. Price start trending to the upside. On the 1 hour chart, you want to be looking for buys, that is, you want to be longing. And look at this point where the weekly EMA, which is the 9 and 18 EMA, crosses to the downside, and price is trading under the EMA, you want to be looking for short sales on the 1 hour chart. Now now I'm going to go on 1 hour chart and explain. Look at this zone. Right? I'm going to make this yellow. Right? When you have this uptrend on the weekly chart, yeah, you want to identify bullish order block. You want to identify a bullish order block on the 1 hour chart, right? And where can now from here, I'm gonna use this is where the price started from the weekly chart started trending, right? Um, you can see this yellow line, right? Look at this yellow line, right? Now we want to start looking for price has already crossed and you are is trading above the EMA on the weekly chart, and you want to be looking for the 1 hour order block, right? On the 1 hour chart. So you want to be looking for bullish order block on the 1 hour chart. So right now I'm gonna play this right. We want to wait to see a bullish order block. There you go. We have a 1 hour order block right here. The last red candle before a strong move up out of the zone. This is a last red. This is a strong move out of the zone. Now, so whenever price comes and we visit this zone, we want to be longing, buying, and your stop loss is gonna be below the swing low or below the 1 hour bullish order block. Now take a look at this. Price has not come yet. You're still waiting. Don't worry, you're not missing anything. Just wait for price to come back to this order block. Mind you, we have another. Want to be getting in on the order block. The stop loss is gonna be at the swing low, right? Look the time it takes to come back to the order block. This is the last red candle before a strong move up. If you take this trade, your stop is gonna be at the swing low, which is this. This is just 2% to make what? You want to take, your realistic target at the recent high, which is the 6%. We're saying this is like, 3 to, 1 or 2 to 1. I don't know how to call it to Russia. So you get this point. So now we have another order block right here. This is the last series of last red candle before a strong move out of the zone. This is a strong move out, so you can take another trade from this, right? Your stop loss is gonna be at the swing low, and Yeah. Yeah, like I say, your target is gonna be always realistic. The previous eye. This is a truth phrase on the rope, right? Then we'll keep going. Remember, you're looking for order blocks. Each another order blocks, clean order block. The last series of last red candle with very strong move out of the zone. It's another trade for you. Whenever price come, you're looking to buy, and your stop is going to be at the swing low, you know, targeting the recent high, wherever the recent high is. Okay. Now, this is a loss, right? This is a loss. We have taken two trade, win, and this is a loss, right? So if you look back, where does this price comes to? It comes to the previous order block, right? I'll not identify this. So if you look, extend this out and we take it back, you can see the price come back to the previous order block. So you already identify this. If you not identify it before it happens, then no problem. If you look at this, you're gonna be realistic. Your target is gonna be at the previous high. So this is another good one. And before that, looking at this, we also have another order block right here. This order block. Look at when price came back in there for the first time, and the reaction was somewhat poor. Stop loss is swing low. Why you do a stop loss at the swing low, which is this. This is the swing low, 2%, 3%. This, like I say, you want to be realistic. The previous high is gonna be your target. This go to target as well, right? And now there was a series of downtrend before we have another strong move of this and order block, this and order block, this and order block. If I just take a look at this order block, price came back into it. One of is a series of last red candle or a series of last red candle before a strong move out. Is what I'm talking about. Series of last red candle or the last red candle before a strong move out is a bullish order block. Look, price came back into the order block and tap and move away. So you get the point. So you can, reward this video in order for you to get it. So if you're looking for short sell, is the opposite. If we go back here, I'll make a quick example. If we go back to the zone, right? Look, I'm gonna make this line. Gonna make this line white. If we go back here, I don't want to waste too much time. Look at this, okay? This is the time where it's time, turning to the downside, right? We have, the bearish order block, the last series of last green candle with a strong move down. This is it. Bearish order block. If a strong move down, it's a very short block, right? When price came back to it, I don't think price ever came back to that zone. But you can see another one right here, series of last green candle before a strong sell off right here. So if you mark this out, this is a bearish order block. Look at what happened. Here's another one, the last green candle before seller. Look at what happened. Price came into it and sold off. You take a shot from me as well. You see, take a shot from here. I You get the idea. I just want to make this video short. So if you don't understand, you can reach out to me. I hope you get the point. I hope I make this as simple as I can. You know, cheers.